sketching. So in this page, just half of the page, half, draw one line, half of the page like this.
Sir, are you making a scenery?
Yes, I make the scenery from Moana.
Sir, after that, what do you make?
I make scenery from Moana.
Sir, I think you're making a scene. Oh, one scene of Moana.
Yeah, the scenery from Moana. Okay, first make this line. First,
Sir, I got there on a rock and
first make that line. Okay. You just leave and again join Eleanor. It is visible. I hope that you face problem something in network issue from your side. Just check, leave and again join beta. So first you make the one line. Second, you just draw this line. This line, okay? Understood? Like this, understood that? And now, first, okay, I show. Now just make it like this. From here, one, echo, now not coming. Everybody mute yourself. Now the next step is to draw like this. One, two. This is the ocean. So I make like this. One.
Yes, sir.
This ocean, okay? This is the Pacific Ocean.
Sir, no one has survived the Pacific Ocean, not even the Titanic. How will a craft survive?
Okay, this is the Indian Ocean. Am I not joining?
So, what is the next step?
Okay. Done that much? Okay. Now, I draw one thing over here. See? One, two. Here. One, two. Okay. Hello.
Sir, can you wait because I'm not done with
Pencile, yeah. No, not join. It says well. No? Oh, okay. Take care. Okay, take care. Okay, don't take care. Okay. Yeah, sure, man. Take care. Okay.
Sir, can you make the sheet little up?
Yes, beta. Just little up. That much only, beta. देखो, see. That much only. There's no any up and down. This is okay.
Sir, next step.
So we are making here this. One and two, like this. Okay. आराम से. Yes, beta. Yes, take time. आराम से बेटा. Yeah. Nice. Now the next steps are going. First to finish that much and all of you can show, okay? Then we can go the next steps. No need to talk, just to show me, and if I feel any wrong, I tell you. Yeah. Yes. Yes, Nandini, fantastic. Yeah, fine. Yeah, fine. And the pencil here is not right. Yeah, sure. So, fine. You are making something small boulder over here. See, like a boulder, like this. Okay. Here some small boulder, like a stone kind of, you know. So here I do here. See, we are creating tree. One. We are making the tree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a coconut tree. Okay. How to draw coconut tree? Just I draw 1 second. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this.
Sir, I did so much practice of this coconut tree, then I could draw it.
Ah, very nice.
In the beach.
We make more coconut tree. 1. How to draw? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay, I draw once more. 1. You just learn how to draw. 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay. Again, I show you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Aram se understood? I make once more. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can make this 100 of coconut tree. Okay, not issue. I draw again once. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. आराम से Yes.
I have finished the drawing.
Just a minute. I just make with the next steps. Okay, just a minute. Okay, we are making the next steps. We are doing scenery. Okay. Yes.
Can I make some people?
Yeah. So I draw here one line like this. Make one line like this.
So move your camera down. I can't see over how the line is.
Beta, but that much only, beta. Hi, the pencil
Okay,
here
fine.
is not joint today, plus Nandini. Okay, it's classes to Sunday, isn't it? Oh, okay. I just put the name in Sunday. Yes, just message me in WhatsApp. Your hi, Tapan is Nandini's mother. Just only. I can just seek the number today to tomorrow. Otherwise, I call you every Saturday if it's not Sunday. Okay. Just say hi, Tapan. Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
Nora?
So now here I make something sail. You know the sail? Who's knows sail?
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, I know, sir. Sail is a small animal like a tortoise.
Yeah. You are making the sail like this. Small sail. a small sail
I
in.
did not understand. I will add ingredient between shade and shade.
Oh wow! Make some small stores sold. Okay. Make it make it something like this. A small tree. This is the tree actually. I just put some line like this. It's a tree. It looks like a tree. The bushes. Yeah, make some bushes over here. I hope you guys are awesome. Make some stones. See, so this is actually a hill, no? Take time. आराम से करो बेटा. Done, beta?
So are we going to color this point?
Yeah. We are going to hear some tree. We are going to hear some tree like this. Okay, you can make some tree like that in this scenery.
Sir, are we going to color this?
Yes, you can make it colorful. I seen the pictures for color. I'll send the link of color. So you can
Sir, are we going to color it now?
you can, if you start the color, it is you can draw the next 5 minutes your own drawing. You color at home only, okay? Make some tree in this jungles like this. Okay.
Once you enter the coconut jungle, you can never return. So I'm under.
Oh, so make something tree over here and there. This is a sea beach actually. Okay. So you can see this Mona. I say in the WhatsApp that you can get the reference from the Mona. So you can make the scenery. You just add something tree over here and there. Yeah, you can add some birds. I'm add here one coconut tree. The big coconut tree I'm add over here. Okay, see? Here's some coconut tree. It's very close to the camera, right? This is very close to the camera, this coconut tree. Okay? And if you want to make a birds, you can make a birds over here. The seagull, you know seagull? The birds. Not necessary. You can, if you want to make, you can make it. Just you can. No need to compulsory. So just, but this is compulsory. Make some heel. Okay, like this, and the tree. Okay, like this is the tree.